Hi, it's Kieran here. This is going to be a real quick little story about just mixing up some adhesive on the job I did a while ago. I had a comment on one of my videos on how to mix thin set or flexible adhesive for laying down floor tiles or wall tiles. So I just thought I would do a quick demo video of that, put it together as such. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you afterwards.
Okay, so this is a semi-rapid flexible grey adhesive. It's for underfloor heating, ceramic, porcelain, mosaic, natural stone, all the good stuff. In the bucket I'm only going to mix up a small amount, so I have a couple of litres of water, about 4. Just giving it a quick whisk with the drill. I'll show you, I'm using a Metabo with a fairly normal mixing stick. And to start with, I just whisk up the water, get a bit of movement on it, and then start throwing in the adhesive. Just allow it to drop in. I'm using about a third of a bag there. Mix it up really well, that's important. Simply because you've got all this latex stuff and everything else that needs to have a good mix. So once you get that right, you'll be all good. Now I'm just using that trowel to get stuff off the sides and make sure it mixes back into the bucket. I'll show you what I've got so far. Camera isn't so great because obviously, but you can see the consistency. It's nice, kind of adhesive, creamy mix. It's a little too sloppy, so I'm going to throw in some more adhesive, probably another handful or so, and mix that back in. Bring it up to speed. Make sure all the little lumps are gone, and that's about it. Very, very easy. Water-based adhesives, extremely strong. This one goes off in about 2 hours. Anyway,
So that was the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, a like, and hit the subscribe button. I've also got the offer on the coronavirus £20 note, which should be here and about. And I look forward to hearing your comments on that. The channel is growing. I'm delighted. Great to meet new people, new subscribers, and I've had some lovely comments, so thank you very much. And we shall see you on the next one. Cheers.